Hello guys, so we are here on my channel Learn Salesforce with me Sushil Raj, and this is me, your Salesforce certified platform developer 1 and platform developer 2. And you can see that these are my scores of platform developer 1 from certification at salesforce.com, and this is my developer 2. This I have done in January 2023. Yeah, so coming to the course, what are we going to learn over here? Learning Salesforce with me is end-to-end solutions, that is right from consulting to Salesforce admin and Visualforce development, and then Salesforce Lightning Aura, Salesforce LWC. As you can see, I'm your trainer, that is PD1 and PD2 certified. Coming to the Salesforce topic, so first we are going to see what is consulting, and then we'll be looking forward for admin development, which is admin is different, and then development is different. And after development, we'll be looking forward for Visualforce, and then we'll be looking for a little bit of testing, that is JavaScripts or backend testing, debugging, etc. And then we'll be moving forward for Lightning Aura, and then LWC, and the last part, which is AI and integration. So we are on a broad spectrum. I will be looking at what is cloud computing today. Cloud computing is nothing but to deliver of computing resources over internet as a service that yeah. So where was I was on delivering of computing services or resources over internet as a service that are given for a specific purpose to the end user. Yeah, so that's on a broad spectrum. That's a software which is given by someone to the users to use. Yeah, it is a concept of paying per user of each IT solutions or services. It is a concept of accessing infrastructure, platform, and software as a service over the internet by paying for each user. Yeah, what are the types of services? There are SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS. SaaS is SaaS is software as a service, PaaS is platform as a service, and IaaS is infrastructure. SaaS, which is also software as a service, are provided by companies or organizations to the users as a paid or free softwares, such as Gmail or CRM softwares or collaboratives, EPRs, banking services, etc. Gmail, as you have known, is also a free service, and WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, etc. PaaS, which is platform as a service, is an application development or web service or streaming service. For example, Amazon, Netflix, etc., where you can go on a click on a button, you can start watching videos. And IaaS is infrastructure as a service, catching files, system management, networking, etc. Infrastructure as a service, we can find examples such as Dropbox, Amazon Web Services, or any other system management like servers, backends, then cloud computing, data management services, or box.com, etc. Or Google Drive is also a best example. What are we looking forward in the Salesforce? Salesforce is actually a software as a service, a CRM software, and it is giving developers for as a PaaS, which is platform as a service, where we'll be developing softwares on development such as airline management, school management, etc., where the clients give you the requirement and you start developing on them. Where we'll start developing on services or apps on force.com, salesforce.com, mulesoft.io, etc. And IaaS is infrastructure as a service, where we'll be fetching the data or integrating them on the other part of the site, which is servers, files, databases such as MuleSoft or Dropbox. I'll be teaching you how to fetch the data from Dropbox into the Salesforce platform, etc. You might be asking why Salesforce? Why Salesforce? Sushil will be asking, Sushil, why Salesforce? Why can't I go for some other software? Right here, you can start looking at. I'll be showing you, which is yeah. So you can see, you can go to Google and start typing top CRM software in the world or anything. You can see, you can look top 10 CRM softwares, which is Salesforce software. Yeah. Or you can see for the Forbes, you can go for the Forbes.com and search for, and then in Salesforce, what do you find? That's a cloud-based platform, which is Salesforce is a cloud-based platform, meaning a user can access the data or applications, which is also a user-friendly, where you don't need any big training for Salesforce to use. How do I use Sushil? How do I open Salesforce, etc. You just need a basic information. And then customization, like I don't need a button over here, I don't need a settings over here, I need to flip a pick over here, I need animations over here. So that's how you do it on the platform. And then what is app extension or app exchange? So extensive app exchange is a Salesforce app exchange marketplace, which I'll be talking about. Normally, App Exchange is a marketplace where you can find different softwares which are paid or free, where we'll be looking at. You can start typing on Google that Salesforce Marketplace App Exchange. And yeah, look at this. You can find tons and tons of softwares over here, where some person like you and me can develop and then publish it over here. See, there's a company called Conga, which put their own software over here, and etc. And then we'll be looking at scalability. Yeah, you'll start asking me, hey Sushi, today I've developed a software and I have 10 to 15 users right now, and then after 10 years I'll be looking at 1 lakh to 2 lakh 2 million subscribers or 2 million customers in my software. So is that possible? Yes, it is definitely possible. I'll be showing you everything. And then we'll be working on automation, workflow management, which is there are flows, there are process builders, there's a notification builder, email management services, workflow, there are a whole lot of trigger flows, etc. And then we'll be looking at analytics and reporting. um, Coming to analytics and reporting, we'll be having reporting, reports, dashboards, analytics, different types of dashboards. I need softwares over here, I need reports over here, I need graphs over here, I need beautification, etc. We'll be doing each and everything over here in analytics and reporting. And then we'll be having mobile accessibility, that is Salesforce 1. What is Salesforce 1? What is app? I'll be letting you know. And we have community and support, like a trial based community. And then we'll be looking into continuous innovation in this Salesforce, how innovation is going on over here. We'll be looking into it from force.com to salesforce.com to Aura Lightning to LWC, etc. Usually I'll be asking, hey Sushil, what kinds of softwares or Salesforce softwares, what do I find, where do I find? So there are different types of softwares which are integration platforms. MuleSoft.io, HubSoft, Tableau by Salesforce, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, Commerce Cloud, Salesforce CPQ, Slack, Demand Tools, Salesforce Shield, Salesforce Mobile SDK, etc. Where that's business to business or customer to business or business to customer marketing, etc. Everything will be looking into it. So where are we right now? We are standing up absolutely on zero, and then we'll be looking forward on consulting services, and then we'll be going forward for admin, purely non-coding, and then we'll be switching to admin plus 50% of coding, and then we'll be going into pure development, which is Visualforce development. And then from there we'll be looking forward at how testing works, how integration works, how do I get pin code, how do I get postal code, postal area, where to send my mails or posts or letters, and then how to integrate Dropbox, etc. From there we'll be going forward to Lightning development, which is Aura, and then LWC, and then integration, and then AI. The last one is AI. Hey Sushil, you'll start asking, hey Sushil, what do I find in admin? So usually we just find cloud computing, basics of cloud computing, and then we'll be looking forward for Salesforce CRM, how CRM works, how things go on there, and then we'll be going into depths of sales, marketing cloud, etc. And then we'll be looking for opportunity prices, price books, etc., which is CPQ billing, which is actually not required for you guys, which is a paid software. If you really want to go into it, you just let me know, and I'll even make videos on CPQ billing. And then we'll be looking forward on Service Cloud, which is complete life cycle management. And then we'll be looking into community cloud or charter, or how do you message, how do you do internal messaging services, etc. And then we'll start looking into advanced management, advanced administration, customization, configuration, validation rules, etc., etc., whatnot. We'll cover each and everything. And then we'll be moving forward for development, pure development, that is UI development, user interface, and then classic development, which is Visualforce framework, and then Apex or OOPS development. You'll start asking me, hey Sushil, I don't know JavaScript or Java or OOPS, what do I do? I'm there. I'll be teaching you each and everything. And then integration, and then we'll be moving forward for Lightning Aura development, and then LWC development, and then AI. AI is usually we work on generative AI, and then Einstein AI. These two are AIs. So, and then you'll start asking, hey Sushil, why Salesforce? Why not any other software? For that, I'll be showing you. You can go start typing on Google that Salesforce success stories, and then click on customer success stories, and then you can start seeing this. There are many companies, Benz, AT&T, whatnot. There are n number of companies over here. Tata, and then we'll be looking on to Sushil. How do I develop? Where do I start working on Salesforce? That is, we'll be working on developer.salesforce.com. I'll be teaching you how to sign up or how to start working on Salesforce. See, this is how Salesforce look. Uh, So that's it, guys. That's the demo class for today. I'll be uploading each and every video on each and every topic regularly. Stay tuned. Thank you.